Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel EXP19 Access Chapter 2 Cap Metropolitan Zoo. So if you want to complete assignment or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete MylTLab courses is Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Access. We can do online courses is accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So, assignment title is a EXP19 Access Chapter 2 Cap Metropolitan Zoo. We move to the project step. So, step number one is a step number one is a start access. Open the download access file name EXP19 Access Chapter 2 Cap Zoo Creator has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Save the file to the location where you are storing the your file. Go to the access file. I have already downloaded the access file. We can move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is a create a new table in a design view. Add the field name is the exhibit ID with the auto number data types. Add the caption is the exhibit ID and set the exhibit ID field is the primary key for the table and save the table using the name is the exhibits. Create the new table is the design view. Go to the access file and click the creates and click the insert the table in design view. Go to the creates and click the table design and add the field name is the exhibit ID. Copy the exhibit ID and paste the field name is the exhibit ID. Press enter button. With the auto number to the data types and click the data type is the auto number. So auto number is the data type. Add the caption is the exhibit ID. Copy the exhibit ID. Add the caption. Click the caption and paste the caption is the exhibit ID. Press enter and set the exhibit ID field is the primary key for the table and save the table using the name is the exhibits. Select the exhibit ID and apply the primary key of the tables. So select the exhibit ID and apply the primary key. Click the primary key and save the table using the exhibits. Copy the table name is the exhibits. Select the table 1, the right clicks and click the save is the exhibits. Click OK. So question number 2 is a complete. We can move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is a add the following field and the set their field is the property as a show. Field name, data type, field size property and caption. So first field name is the exhibit ID name. Exhibit name, type the exhibit name, press enter and data type is the short text. So select the data type column is the short text. Already apply the short text, and field size property is 15. Select the field size property box dialog box and type the 50 field size. Press enter. And caption is the exhibit name. Copy the caption name is the exhibit name. So click the caption box and paste the exhibit name. Press enter. Caption is the exhibit name, and second is the acres. Field name is the acres. Select the field name is third. Field name is acres. Press enter. And data type is number. So select the data type is number, and field size property is the integers. So select the field size is integers. Click the arrow and click the integer, and caption is none. Caption is none. And third field name is the initial cost. Copy the initial cost and paste the fourth field name is the initial cost. Press enter. And data type is the currency. So data type is a click the currency. Data type is currency, and field size is no change. So the field size is no change, and caption is initial cost. Copy the initial cost and paste the caption with initial cost. Press enter. So the next field is yearly cost. Copy the yearly cost is the next field. Press enter. And data type is currency. Select the data type column and click the currency. And caption is the yearly cost. Copy the yearly cost and caption is yearly cost. Select the yearly cost caption box and paste the yearly cost. Press enter. And next field is the field name is the date open. Copy the field name and paste the field name is date open. Press enter. And data type is the date time. Data type is the date and date time, and the caption is the date open. Click the caption and paste the date open. Press enter button. So last field is the field name is a show. Paste the field name is show, and data type is yes or no. Yes or no. And caption and field size property is none. So question number 3 is a complete. We can move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is a switch to datasheet view and save the tables, and then following recall letting access assign The exhibit ID is the exhibit name is Asia Acres is to initially cost, yearly cost, and dates open and show. So switch the datasheet view, click the view and switch the datasheet view. Do you want to save? Yes, click OK. So the add the following records is letting access assign the exhibit ID. So switch the datasheet view and save the tables, and the following record is letting access assign the exhibit ID. So exhibit name is the Asia. Copy the Asia is the exhibit name. Click the exhibit ID, exhibit name, acres, initially cost, yearly cost, date open, and show. Click the exhibit name is the paste the Asia is the exhibit name and acres is 2. Select the acre and type the 2. Press enter. And initially cost is the copy the value and paste the values initially cost. Press enter. And next is the yearly cost. Copy the value and paste the yearly cost. Press enter. And next is the date open. Is copy the dates is 11, 15 and 20, 11. Copy the dates and date open, paste the date, press enter. And show table is select the yes. Select the yes. And second field is the exhibit name is the Africa. Copy the Africa and exhibit name is paste the Africa and acre is type force. Press enter. And initial cost is copy the value and paste the initial cost. Press enter. And yearly cost, copy the value and paste the values yearly cost. Press enter. And date open is copy the dates and paste the date. Press enter. And show table is yes and click the yes checkbox. And next value is exhibit name is the Americas. Copy the exhibit name and paste the exhibit name. Press enter. And acre is type 3. Press enter. And initially cost, copy the value and paste the initially cost. Press enter. And yearly cost is copy the value and paste the press enter. And date open is with the dates and paste the date. Press enter. And show table is no. And close the table. So select the exhibit table, right clicks and click a save and click close the table. So question number 4 is a complete. So question number 4 is a complete. We can move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is import the download dates Zoo Access workbook as the new table in the current database using the import spreadsheets wizards and specify that the first row contain column heading and set the animal ID fields to be the indexed no duplicates and set the animal ID field as the primary key and import the table with the animals and do not save the imports tab. So import the file is zoo files and new tables, grant the database and import the spreadsheet is the visitors, the animal field ID and animal field is the primary key. So import the files and go to the external data tabs and go to the imports and link groups, click the new data source and click the from file to the Excel files and click a browse, go to the access and click the zoo, click opens and click OK. So the using the imports spreadsheet is the visitors and specify the first row contain column heading and click on next and first row contain column heading is the checkbox and set the animal field to be indexed with the no duplicates and set the animal field as the primary key and import the table with the name animal. Do not save the import step. So go to the access file, click on next and index is index with no duplicates. Click the index and click the no duplicates and set the animal field as the primary key and import the table with the animal names. Add to the do not save the imports tab. Click the next and choose my own primary key and click the next and import to the table is animals. Click finish and click close. So import the table is the animal. So question number 5 is a complete. We can move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is a view the animal table in the design view and change the field size for the animal ID field to the long integers and change the field size for the exhibit ID and train ID field to the long integers and save the tables. Click adjust dialog box indicating that some data may be lost. Close the table. So view the animal table to the design view and change the field size is the longer integers and change the field size is the exhibits and train ID. Animal design view tables, then click the animal tables and select the animal tables, right clicks and click the design view and change the field size for the animal ID to longer integers. Select the animal field name is animal ID is to the long integer is the field size. Select the field size is the long integers and change the field size is the exhibit ID and trainer ID. Select the exhibit ID, select the exhibit ID Like the exhibit ID is the long integer, field size is like the field size is the long integers, and trainer ID is the long integers. It's like the trainer ID and field size is the long integers, and save the table. Click yes is the dialog box indicated the some data may be lost. Change the tables. So save the tables. Is the right clicks and click the save, and some data may lost. Click yes, and close the tables. Right click and click the close the table. So question number 6 is a complete. So if you want to complete assignment or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email.